Hi there, this is Mna once again, and exactly 1 year back I started the series Cool New Apps, where I did talk about the applications that are new and do something out of the box. It is pretty fun, but let's try to do something different today. Let's try to think about the future. So in this video we are going to see some of the app that doesn't exist but they should, and maybe who knows, you might get a new startup idea or something. So with that being said, let's get started, shall we? So number one is a talking camera app for blind people, and here is how it's going to work. You're going to put your smartphone in your breast pocket with the camera sticking out and then connect it with your earphones. Now this application will use the device camera to take the picture of the environment, and then using the artificial intelligence it will tell the blind person what's going around him. Now this may look like a superficial thing, but trust me, it's not. In fact, just before making this video, Microsoft has released its new application Seeing UI, which uses a similar concept. Now although it is just released for iOS version, so most of you won't be able to try it, but I have been playing around with this application for a day now and it is surprisingly good. Simply launch this application and point your camera to say your friend, and it will describe that person, like what are they wearing, how far are they, and whether they are smiling or not. It can also read text and barcode in real time and help you find what you need. In short, it is one of the most revolutionary app that I have seen so far. Number second is personalized styling app, and the idea behind that is pretty simple. Not every kind of clothes fit every kind of people, and not everyone has a time to do the research. So how about developing an application which will scan your body, or you can also enter your body shape, structure, the color of your eyes, hairstyle, etc. And once the application know how you look, like your height, weight, body structure, etc., then it will use the machine learning to suggest you the best outfit. Now I know these kind of applications do exist, but I am looking for something more real, something that can scan my entire body and then show the outfit on it in real time, something like you see in Black Mirror episodes. Number third, a voice changing app on phone calls. Now I know there are tons of applications on Google Play Store that claims to do that, but trust me, none of them work. In fact, one of the popular ones with millions of downloads is just a flashlight application. Now why is that? Well, for an application to change your voice in real time, it will have to work along with your phone app, which if I'm not wrong is not possible on Android as of now, since no two applications can access the mic at the same time. So yeah, if somebody can overcome this challenge and make an app for it, well, that could be pretty fun. Number 4, an app that can suggest the kind of lunch or a dinner you can make by using the ingredients that you have in your kitchen right now. Now ideally I would like to take the picture of the stuff, but you can also enter it manually, and then let's say for instance if I have bread and butter with me and I don't want to eat it in the usual way, so this application would suggest me some alternate recipes. And I guess this one should be pretty simple, since you can already do this on the website like Supercook, which thanks to the Twitter user Jen I just got to know before making this video. But yeah, putting the data from a website to this application won't be an issue. Number 5, a camera app that can take your photo and then impose it in any YouTube video. Kind of like a combination of a selfie app and a real-time motion tracking. And imagine the possibilities of all the personalized meme that you can create with this application. No matter what the context is, you will always have a right meme for that. Yes, I do admit this idea is stupid and useless, but hey, if there is an app, I will probably pay for that. Number 6, an application that can link the NGOs with local volunteers. So imagine this, if there is a wedding in my house, a lot of food go waste, or similarly if I am shifting to a different place, I leave a lot of stuff behind. So how about a crowdsource app that can link the local NGOs with the right volunteers? And let's say if I have to donate something, I will just open this application and look for the NGOs around my area. And a bonus point if you do, free delivery and pickup. Number 7, a kill switch app when your phone gets stolen. Now I have talked about this concept before, and for someone who has lost many of his smartphone, this is always going to be a big feature request for me. So imagine this, whenever someone steals your phone, the first thing they do is factory reset it, right? But let's say if there is an application which can survive factory reset, and once you activate it, kind of like how you do with Cerberus, it will automatically freeze your smartphone. Nothing can happen. And the only way to fix that would be either by going to the service center or by entering the one-time password, which only the rightful owner will know. Now, this may not look like a big deal as of now. However, if we are able to implement it in all the smartphones in the entire world, then there won't be any incentive for the thieves to steal their phone, and they were probably going to steal something else, but at least smartphone theft will be reduced. Number 8, an application that can show all the cool things that you can do around you. So you open this application, set up a parameter like 2 kilometers or 5 kilometers, and this application will show you all the cool things that you can do. Now the key thing here is this application should use machine learning to understand your preference. It should never ask you, but it tries to understand you, and once they know who are you and what you like, then it will show you the discounted deals around you. Consider this like if I'm into tracking, then it will show me all the adventure deals around me. If I like shopping, then it will show me all the discounted deals. And if I'm into reading books, then it will show me all the book fair that is going around me. So the idea here is from one side they will collect the user data in non-intrusive way, and from the other side they will match it with the data they have collected from Facebook events, meetup groups or regional websites, and then form a perfect match. So yeah, there you have it. If you're an app developer or an entrepreneur, then maybe you can use this idea to build your startup. Or just let me know which is your favorite application in the comment section below. And yes, like always, go hit the like button if you enjoy these kind of videos, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So I will see you in the next one, and yes, like always, thank you for watching.